Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimitris and this is Enchant3D Studio. Today I'm really happy and really excited that one of the most famous 3D scanning companies trusted me and gave me the opportunity to show you and test and review one of the best and flagship 3D scanners. This one, the Revopoint MIRACO Plus. This huge box came to me and I will try to showcase how high quality with high accuracy 3D scanner is. So generally Revopoint uh, these years show us that they have the professional and the high quality solution for 3D scanning. With this scanner surpass their limits because we have a scanner wireless with his own screen on it, so you will not need any cables, any laptops or your phone or anything else. It's all in one. It's their flagship and we will unboxing it today. So let's start. Believe me, this is really heavy and huge, and I'm really excited to see what is inside. So let's open it. One. This is really high quality books. Oh, I'm really happy. So first thing is this nice pack. I think it's for transporting with safety your 3D scanner. Oh, okay. This is the rotating base that you put on it, the small objects that you want to 3D scan. So you can use it as a base that is rotating, so the scanner can um, catch every detail with accuracy. One HDMI cable. Then this is a strap. It's a strap. We will see. Maybe it's for the 3D scanner to have it in your hand. This is USB to Type C. I am doing this. We have a small small table. It will be upgraded. I will try to upgrade it. It was only showcasing the 3D statues, but now I will need a bigger one. One small cloth. I think it's can use it for the lens of the scanner. Side. One more USB to Type-C cable. I think it will be needed at some point. And one tripod. Very nice. This is really, you see, really high quality. I think you can put the accessories or the scanner itself inside and carry it with you because I told you it's wireless, it's easy to use it. And now let's see. Here we have a pouch. This is velvet. I think it's light inside. This is calibration plate. We will see what to do with this later. The instructions. With detailed use. This is the near mode calibration sheet. And the far mode calibration sheet. And one circular. Oh. This is the model that we will try to scan and copy it, make it 3D printed from scanner to STL and to the 3D printer. I don't know, I don't think that this is 3D printed. It seems like a real bust. Very nice. Here is the charger. This is 65 watts, really fast, with two Type-Cs. And here is the beast. And here is the scanner. I'm really excited. This is the scanner. It's all in one, full portable, with his own screen. But opens like that. It's amazing, really. Here are the lens, as you see. So, let's check the others in the box and we will come back finally to the scanner. There is a nice metallic case. Or this looks really nice, high quality. Let's check what is inside. Okay. This is the photogrammetric metrology kit. I don't know what that is, but we will find out. More pointers. Bigger one. Bigger projects. The nice thing is that it looks really high quality. I don't know if the camera can show that, but it's really high quality. These are 4 pieces created from carbon. It's scale bars, and I think they are magnetic also. Really nice and premium cuts. And this is a barcode that shows you the scale bar information. And the last box, inside this huge box, is the calibration board kit. And these are some calibrating boards. I don't know if they're something between plastic and wood. There are 4 of these. Now that everything is unboxed, it's time for the initial setup. The Miraco guides you through the basics: language selection, date and time, Wi-Fi connection, all directly on this built-in screen. After the initial setup, language, date and time, Wi-Fi connection, the Miraco walks you through a short build-in tutorial. It introduces the different scanning modes and explains the basic, so you understand how the device works before you start. Once that is done, we are ready to move on our first scan. We initially tried mounting the scanner on the tripod, but for this first scan it didn't really work. The rotating base ended up being too low, which limited the scanning angle. So we removed the tripod and started the scanning process directly on the table. The first thing that you will immediately notice is how powerful are the built-in LEDs, fully illuminating the object while scanning. Once the rotating base was activated, the bus started turning and the scanner began capturing detail layer by layer as it rotated. I gave a bit of time to see how much detail the first pass was capturing, and then I paused the scan to check which areas weren't full covered, so we could rescan those parts and fill the missing data. As you can see, the detail is really high and you can clearly find the spot that needs scan again. The Miraco also allows you to pause and switch between vertical and horizontal scanning. By placing the bust horizontally, the scanner can capture areas that weren't reachable when the object was upright, and in the end, all of these passes are combined into a single, complete scan. Next, we move into the RevoScan software and connect the scanner to transfer all the data from the scan. Once everything is imported, we upload our own scan model into the project. As you can see, the software also includes an example project, which is pre-installed scan of the same model we used. Comparing the two, our scan shows a few minor imperfections. Some of these are details I didn't initially notice, and others I intentionally left uncorrected to highlight the difference with the reference scan. I also wanted to see how these small imperfections would translate once the model is actually 3D printed. So once we are done reviewing the scan, we export the model as an STL file, and finally it's time to send it to the 3D printer and see how the scan translates into the physical result. After slicing the model, we started the print on the LEGO Centauri carbon. The goal here is simple: to see how well the scan holds up in the real-world printing. Finally, we have our model printed. Placing them side by side on the rotating plate, you can clearly see how close the result is to the prototype. Aside from the small imperfections I intentionally left, the overall similarity is impressive. With a bit more optimization in the slicer, the result could be even cleaner and more crisp. But for our first attempt, we managed to achieve an almost identical result. So we understand that the Miraco is an incredibly capable scanner, capturing fine details with impressive accuracy. The fact that it's fully wireless and completely standalone makes it even more powerful, so you can take it anywhere, scan what you need, and end up with a high-quality professional result. In upcoming videos, I will be using the Miraco in real-world scenarios, solving everyday problems and working on some very interesting projects with a deeper breakdown of its capabilities. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and follow Enchant3D Studio for more real-world 3D scanning and printing content.